Who's got your ear when you're leading change? If you're listening to the loudest, you may be making a mistake. Hey, this is Jones Laughlin. Welcome to Insights from the Jones Zone, where I give you a way to master your week in 3 minutes or less. If you've ever led a change, you know the importance of listening to all perspectives, all sides, as it relates to how people are going to benefit or not benefit from the change. It's easy, however, to be pulled by the voices of those who are so loud in their opposition to the change. If you're facing that in the current change initiative, it's important to analyze, why are they so loud? And is that really how everybody feels? The first thing I think it's important to remember is that these people who are so loud and aggressive in their opposition to the change may be doing so out of emotion. Focus on what they're going to lose instead of what they're going to gain. Research consistently shows that we just place a higher value on holding on to the old versus grabbing on to the new. So it may be that there's lots of people in your organization who are excited about the change. They're just not coming to talk to you because we just look at gain and loss differently. A second reason they may be so loud in their resistance is out of fear. Not just fear of what they're going to lose, but fear that their skills aren't going to be enough to help themselves or their team make it through the change. Maybe it's a fear of loss of control or position, but probably there's some type of fear that's driving it, and many times it's not warranted. They do need to share it, and you need to help them understand how they can move beyond that fear, or how you're going to equip them to be successful with change. Finally, a reason they may be so loud in their resistance to the change is because of information. It could be lack of information, misinformation, or too much information. It's important to ask questions. Find out what they're basing their opposition on. And many times you may find it's not relevant information, or it's just hearsay. The facts and the data are what are most critical in helping them understand how this change can work for them and their team. I hope it's a week where you find yourself listening to all voices, not just the loudest ones. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today in the Jones Zone.